Want to create a cool negative text effect in Capcut? Here's how. First, open Capcut and then create a new project. Then, click Import and select a short video clip from your computer. Once imported, drag the clip onto the timeline. Then right-click the video clip and select Copy. Paste it on the track above to create a duplicate. Select again the top clip, and then on the right side, go to the Adjust tab and open Curves. Then, to have that negative text effect, drag the bottom left point of the curve to the top left corner. Then do the opposite on the top right corner and drag it to the bottom right corner. Next, go to the Video tab, then select Mask. Then add a mask and choose the type of mask to Text Mask. Enter the text you want to use, then choose your preferred font. After that, adjust the size, position, until the text is placed exactly where you want it. Now play the video to preview the effect. The video should look normal outside the text while the color inside the text appear inverted. Once you're happy with the result, click Export, then choose your preferred resolution and frames per second. Then export your video. And that's it. You created an After Effects style negative text effect using Capcut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.